Here we go, room 15124 on the MSC Seashore. Oh, sound effects not included. Here we go. I'm carrying a lot of heavy baggage here, so let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. I don't care about the rest of the room. We've got a whale shark here. Well. That is all I needed to see. Actually, while I'm here, I might as well look at some other stuff, though. Are there lights in this room, Kimbra? I'm not even sure. Look at this. You can really see that this is not filmed in sepia because of Kimbra's purple hair and her dress. Otherwise, you might be confused and think that this whole room video was filmed in sepia, since sepia, not sepia. So here's the bed. It looks large to me. I don't know. Maybe just because I haven't been on a 7-night cruise in a while, but this looks like a bigger bed than normal. And the closet's in a different space, which I kind of like. Vanna, will you show us what we've got inside? Okay, we've got some hangers. We've got a little shelf up above. We've got a little shelf below. Very nice. And on the other side, give me a vowel. We've got that is a tiny safe. That is a very small safe, but I don't really care. Personally, I don't use a safe for anything bigger than that anyway. Are there 3 drawers down there?
3.
3 drawers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, if you count the one with the safe on it. We've got some lights over here, and I see a USB.
Only on one side.
Only on one side, but it's there. So this is my side of the bed, so that works out well for me. Oh boy, look at that. There's a mirror, so you can watch mirrors. And hey, look, that's not a mirror, but it's acting like a mirror. It has the same reflective properties. It is a television, and we've got a remote, and we've got more USBs, some plugs. We've got some European style outlets, and we've got another mirror here, some more shelves there. We have a mini bar, which I don't really care about because I'm not going to use it, and it is locked, which is I don't care about because I'm not going to use it. I got the drink package. Don't need your mini bar. Got a hair dryer in this middle shelf. Got some drawers here. Are they the little, oh yeah, they're the self-closing drawers, aren't they?
Yeah.
And then we've got 2 little stools.
I think this one's a table. Yeah,
oh,
that's a
okay,
table.
a table and a stool right there that kind of fold nicely into this IKEA sort of design. What about the bathroom? Before we go out on the balcony, let's go to the bathroom. And it's really weird that this setup, it's not your standard
I guess you should go in front.
setup where you have the closet would be over here and then the bathroom over here. Okay, so we've got the bathroom. Boom, look at that. You'll see all the luggage I'm hauling around like a pack animal right now. But that's okay because it'll give us a better idea of how well things fit in this bathroom. We've got a couple shelves here for storage. Look at that, we got toothbrush holders. That's cool. Are these cups? No, these are, oh, maybe they're cups. These are cups. But I'm going to use it as a toothbrush holder, maybe. I don't know. We've got soap, perhaps, here. We've got our faucets. Of course, our toilet right there with some toilet paper. And we've got our towels. And we have a glass shower. Wow, I'm really squished in here now. A glass shower. See if I can show you guys. It's actually, I have a lot of baggage on me right now, so this is not as cramped as it may have seemed. I don't know if it seemed cramped. We've got a couple of things here, some shampoo and shower gel, and there's the floor drain, and I will back out the other way so you guys can actually see this. Oh, Kimber's telling me to look at, something else here. There we go. And you could, whoa. Okay, that's what happens with the drink package. I'm just gonna make my way out of here. I should have taken this stuff off before I did this. I realize that, but I was just too excited. And there we have it. That's the room. Other than the balcony, which I'm going to take you out to look at now. However, I am going to try and dislodge some of this stuff from myself. We'll edit this out here probably, or I'll leave it in because I'm weird like that. But, okay. Whew. All right, outside we have the balcony.
It's loud out here.
It's loud because we are still in port in Miami. But this is a big balcony. Wow. Is this just a regular standard balcony room? Wow. This is a nice size balcony with 2 chairs and a little stool or table there.
Ooh, look at them hot tubs down there.
Very nice. We're gonna. Oh, look at that! Somebody's already enjoying the hot tubs. This makes me really nervous with my phone. I'm gonna bring it back in. Anyway, what's the room number, Kimbra?
15124.
15124. Check it out. Yeah, it's a really nice stateroom. All right, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to get it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go out of here so it's not so loud, and subscribe to the channel for more videos from Fintastic Cruising.